Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a tag in GitHub. Tags are a great way to mark specific points in your project's history, such as releases or version updates. Make sure to watch until the end and follow these simple steps. First, log into your GitHub account. Once you're signed in, head over to your profile and click on Repositories to find the project where you want to create a tag. Select the repository to open it. Now, look towards the top of the repository page for the Branches and Tags section. Click on Tags to view all existing tags for your project. This is where you'll start creating your new tag. Next, click on Create a New Release. Here you can give your release a title, such as a version number, and add any release notes or links to files if needed. To create the tag itself, look for the option to add a new tag. You can either select an existing tag or create a new one. Enter a valid tag name, something that clearly identifies the version or milestone of your release. Once your tag is set, click Publish Release. And that's it. Your new tag is now associated with your release and visible in the repository. You can repeat this process for future versions or milestones. By creating tags, you can keep your project organized, track versions efficiently, and make it easier for others to reference specific releases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more GitHub tutorials.